Okay, we got a Whirlpool washing machine here that's sprung a leak somewhere underneath. So I gotta open her up and see where it's leaking from. First of all, if you take a look at the back of a Whirlpool washer, you notice there isn't really much to take out. Now some people try to take the back off at first, only to find out it doesn't go anywhere. I've heard of one guy who thought you opened the washer up by prying at this seam right here, but that's going to leave you with a disfigured washer. So now that you know what not to do, this is what you should do. On this style Whirlpool, to take out these two screws, one at each corner, and this control panel flips backward. Okay, with the control panel flipped open, you gotta disengage these two latches. Whoops! I'll get that screw later. Oh yeah, there's this little wiring diagram that's supposed to go back there. Okay, and then unplug this leading to the door switch. Then you should be able to just tilt the whole thing forward. And there's your naked washer. Okay, so we found our leak. Stripping out of the pump right over here where this seam is. Yep, that's cracked. I think you could just unlatch the pump and pull it off. Put that back before I lose it. Okay, I need to get a pair of channel lock pliers to take those hoses off. So I got the pump off. I noticed the impeller inside is frozen. Somehow, I think what happened was it was rubbing inside and it got hot enough that it just melted right through right there. So now I'll have to head down to Sears. Okay, the new pump's in. Stick these back on. One on top, which I already did. There's another one that goes on the bottom right here. Gotta use two hands, I guess. There we go. All set. Now we could fill it with water and see if it leaks out. Okay, I almost forgot to put the hose clamps back on. That's why I was leaking there. But now the hose clamps are back on correctly. Let's do the fill.